Tonight, we're looking into a story you may have heard recently. It claims a company is making a washing machine for humans. And this is true. Home electronics retailer Yamada Holdings unveiled the machine at an expo in Japan. The company claims it can clean and dry your body in 15 minutes. The user lies down in the capsule and is washed with micro bubbles and a fine shower mist. During the experience, the machine provides relaxing music and visuals. The machine has yet to hit the market, but Yamada plans to display it at its flagship store starting on Christmas Day. It's expected to cost about $385,000. If you would like to submit a question to us, go to 10news.com, click on Menu, and Fact or Fiction.